little wolf hums a quiet tune. Stars above begin to glow, lighting paths of silver snow. Cool night wind begins to sigh. Clouds drift slowly through the sky. Wolf looks up, then settles low, where the quiet breezes blow. How so soft, sleepy wolf, nighttime wraps you like a scarf. Close your eyes and drift so deep into peaceful, cozy sleep. Far away, the forest sings gentle sounds on quiet wings. Family near, safe and warm, sheltered from the night so calm. Wolf curls up with steady breath, dreams that drift so light as rest. Eyes grow heavy, heart beats slow. Into dreamland he will go. Moonlight hums a lullaby, soft across the midnight sky. Every creature finds their way into dreams till break of day. How so soft, sleepy wolf. How so soft, sleepy wolf. Brave and gentle, wild yet mild, sleeping now, the forest child.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos.